You are going to love 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, chrome mirror caps, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.